Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial we'll be comparing two of the best online course builders, Kajabi versus Teachable. While both platforms are highly rated and will allow you to create a stunning online course even as a complete beginner, there are some differences that you need to know about. For example, when it comes on to pricing, Kajabi pricing starts off at $149 per month and goes up to $399. Keep in mind that you can sign up for free on Kajabi for a 14-day trial period, but you do need a credit card to get started. So you'll have to sign up with a credit card. Compared to Teachable, which you can sign up for completely free without a credit card. And also Teachable free plan lasts for 1 whole month compared to Kajabi that only lasts for 14 days. And you can get started by selling on Teachable. On the free plan, as you can see, you'll be able to sell. The only pullback is they will take 10% transaction fee, and you'll only be able to publish one product. So that means that you'll only be able to create one course or one online coaching program, compared to Teachable, which will allow you to create up to 3 products, but they will still take a transaction fee. And if you were to go onto their basic plan and pay the $149, you won't have to pay any transaction fee. Therefore, with the basic plan, and you'll still only be able to create 3 products. And you can see with Kajabi, as I stated earlier, their paid plan goes up to $399, and with Teachable's most expensive plan is $199. So if you are looking for a platform to get started as a complete beginner and something that is easy to use and you don't have a high budget, I would recommend that you go with Teachable, as you could get started and start selling some courses, and although they'll be taking a 10% transaction fee, once you have started to make some money, you could go up to one of their paid plan. For example, you could go up to the $119 per month plan, and on this plan they won't take any transaction fee, and you'll be able to create up to 50 courses or 50 products, as you can see right there. Compared to Kajabi, for their $149, you'll still be able to only create 3 courses or 3 products, as they put it. So Teachable is definitely a better suggestion based on money wise. And also, if you are looking for something that is easy to use, I would more recommend Teachable also. Meanwhile, Kajabi does have a more compact offering, meaning with Kajabi you will get access to different stuff that they have. For example, if we were to go onto Kajabi, as you can see right here, let's say we were to sign up. All you'll need to do is tap on Start Free Trial. After you have entered your name, email address, and also your credit card information, you would be redirected to this dashboard. To get started, all you'll need to do is tap on Products from the left-hand menu option. Once you have tapped on Products, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see you can either create a course, an online coaching program, or if you would like to create a podcast. So for example, if I were to tap on Courses, once you have tapped on Courses, all you would need to do now is tap on Get Started. Once you have tapped on Get Started, from there you could enter your title and you could enter a brief description. And you can get a preview of how your course will look from the right hand menu option right here. Another feature of Kajabi is everything basically is in-house, meaning that they also offer email marketing platform. As you can see right here, if I were to go over to the left hand menu option again, tap on marketing, I'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can start your email campaigns. So you can create funnels, you can create automations, you can also create forms and numerous stuff on Kajabi as a single platform. And you can also track your analytics right here. And if I'm not mistaken, also their payment gateway is also in-house. And by in-house, I mean that, for example, on Teachable, you'll be able to offer Stripe and PayPal Meanwhile, with Kajabi, they offer their own payment options. For example now, how to get started on Teachable, all you'll need to do is go onto teachable.com. Then you're going to tap on Start for free. From there, you'll enter your name and email address. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you will have your menu option on the left-hand column, as you can see right here. If you would like to create a course, you could tap on Courses. If you would like to create a coaching program, you can also do that. Or if you would like to create a digital download, you could do that. Let's say we want to create a course. We would simply tap on Courses right here. Once you have tapped on Courses, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And you can also see that you'll be able to create bundles, and you can also offer membership also. If you like to create a course, you are going to tap on Create a Course right here. After you have tapped on Create a Course, the first thing you're going to do is name your course. So let's say I name my course How to Use YouTube. Then from there, you can get help to generate your course outline. Kajabi also offers this feature, which will allow AI to give you an outline of how you'd like your course to be. So you can tap right there. So let's say Start Building. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page right here. And from here, you'll see your course link, and you'll also be able to start editing your course. To edit your course is quite easy. You could simply tap on Build Your Outline right there. Or if you would like help, you can tap on Generate Outline, and the AI platform will help you to generate a course outline. One of the plus with Teachable is it is quite easy to use, and also it offers more payment options compared to Kajabi. That's basically it. Otherwise, from that, both platforms are similar. The only difference is the pricing and also a bit of features. Kajabi offers a bit more features compared to Teachable. But I would more give Teachable the edge because of the pricing, as it is more affordable, and also on their payment plan or their highest payment plan, you'll be getting more features compared to Kajabi for even more money. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.